Did you know the circle breathing circuit saves both money and the environment in the operating room? Here's why anesthesiologists everywhere love it. The circle breathing circuit is like a smart recycling system for your anesthesia machine. First, it minimizes the amount of fresh gas flow you need, so you use less gas and save on costs. Second, it keeps the operating room cleaner by preventing anesthetic gases from escaping into the air. That means less pollution where you work. And third, it's designed with a special trap called soda lime, which soaks up carbon dioxide. This helps prevent hypercapnia, or too much CO2 in the patient's body. So with one circuit you get safer breathing, cleaner air, and lower expenses. That's why the circle breathing circuit is a total game changer in anesthesia. Stay tuned for more smart tips from Anesthesia Central.